Hello students, welcome to ASN Chemistry. Today class I am going to explain how to remember Hofmann-Bromamide degradation and carbylamine reaction. These two reactions are from amines chapter, very important named reactions. Let us discuss Hofmann-Bromamide degradation reaction. First you can take bromamide. What is the word? Bromamide you can take. Bromamide contains amide and brom. Amide you can take. For example, I will take CH3, C double bond O, NH2. Acetamide I will take, okay. Bromamide you can take into two parts, brom and amide. Amide you can take. Next brom is there, right? Brom. So you can take bromine. Okay now. Next B for base. B for base. You can take NaOH base. NaOH. Once again, how do you remember reactants? Bromamide. Amide, bromine, B for base. Okay, now let us write the products. Easily we can write the product. Look at this. First you can remove this CO part. What we have to remove? Remove this CO. If you remove this CO, what is the remaining? Tell me. CH3. See, CH3. Next NH2 is there. CH3 plus NH2. Okay, next. Remember here 4 moles of sodium. You can take 4 moles of sodium. 2 sodiums and CO combined. 2 sodiums and CO. And what is the combination of Na and CO product? Familiar product, tell me. Na and CO. Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Plus from here bromine, from here 2 sodiums. Right. 2 sodiums completed, right? Remaining 2 sodiums, remaining 2 bromines to give 2 NaBr. 2 NaBr. Okay now. And remaining hydrogens, oxygens combined to produce 2 moles of water. Okay. In this reaction, ethanamide, because 2 carbons are there at ethane, amide functional group amide. Ethanamide converted into methanamine because 1 carbon is there, meth, amine group is there, methanamine. Okay, methanamine. I will take one more example. This time I will take benzamide. Look at this. Take benzene ring. To that you can write C double bond O NH2. What is the name? Benzamide. Same to same. What are the reactants? Amide. Amide you have taken. Brom. Bromine you can take. Br2 brom. B for base. B for base. NaOH. How to write the product? Very simple. First you remove this CO. If you remove this CO, what will you get? Take benzene ring. To that you can write NH2. Aniline will be formed. Byproducts, 4 moles you have to take, right? 2 sodiums and this CO combination will give Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Plus remaining 2 sodiums and 2 bromines will give 2 moles of NaBr and remaining hydrogens, oxygens will give water molecule. In this second example, benzamide is converted into aniline. Benzamide is converted into aniline. First example, ethanamide converted into methanamine. If you observe carefully, here product have less, 1 carbon less. Product have 1 carbon less when compared with the reactant. You can observe here 2 carbons are there, here only 1 carbon is there. Second reaction, carbylamine reaction. It is also called as carbylamine or isocyanide test. Right. In this reaction, product is isocyanide. What is the product? Product is carbylamine, also called as isocyanide. It is foul smelling substance. What is the smell? Foul smelling substance. In this reaction, product is isocyanide, which is foul smelling substance. That's why it is called as isocyanide test, also called as carbylamine test. Right, isocyanide, what is the functional group? Tell me. NC. Now I will tell you how to remember the reaction. First carbylamine. First second part you can take amine. So reactant is amine. For example, CH3NH2 I will take. CH3NH2. Okay. Plus how do you remember? Carbylamine. Amine. So amine you can take. Carbyl C is there. C for chloroform. How do you remember? C for chloroform. CHCl3. C for chloroform. CHCl3. And next Ka for KOH. Ka for KOH. So these are the reactants. Product, anyway I told you. Name only indicates product isocyanide. How do you write isocyanide? take CH3NC. Okay, CH3NC plus here in this reaction 3 moles of KOH is participated. From here 3 potassiums, from here 3 chlorines will give 3 moles of KCl. 3 moles of KCl and remaining hydrogens, oxygens, 3 oxygens are there, right? Remaining everything will combine to produce 3 moles of water. 3 moles of water. See here in this reaction methenamine is converted into methyl isocyanide, also called as methyl carbylamine. One more example I will take. Aniline I will take. Take benzene ring NH2. What is the name? Aniline. Right. So first you can take primary amine. Okay. This is primary amine. In this reaction we have to take primary amine. And C for chloroform. CHCl3. C for chloroform. Ca for KOH. Ka for KOH. Now let us write the product. Isocyanide we have to write, right? So take benzene ring. You can write NC isocyanide. How many moles here? 3 moles of KOH, right? 3 moles of KOH. So 3 potassiums, 3 chlorines will give 3 moles of KCl. And remaining 3 oxygens and hydrogens will combine 3 moles of water are formed. In second reaction, aniline is converted into phenyl isocyanide. Okay. So primary amines will give this test. Okay. Carbylamine isocyanide test. So you can take screenshot of this and write in your class notes. Even this one also you can take screenshot, write in your class notes. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends and classmates. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.